Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make 4 easy recipes. Let's start with chickpeas curry. For this recipe, you'll need 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Fry it on medium-low flame for 1 minute, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, stir and add 2 bay leaves. Stir that as well. Grind 1 medium onion with a little bit of water. Add 6 tablespoons of that mixture. Let it cook for 2 minutes and then add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste. Mix this well until everything is incorporated. Then add 4 tablespoons tomatoes puree. Let it simmer for 3 minutes and then add canned chickpeas, about 350 grams. Mix everything well, add 1 or 3 cups of water and let it cook for 5 minutes and then serve. It turned out very delicious. Now I'll show you how to make potato curry. For this recipe, you'll need 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry it on medium-high flame, add in 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black sesame seeds, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix that well and then add 2 medium-boiled, roughly mashed potatoes. Mix well and then add 100 milliliters of water. Mix well and let it simmer until the curry is thickened. And there you have it, delicious potatoes curry. Next I'll be making suji semolina ka halva. For this recipe you'll need 8 tablespoons of desi ghee, 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder. Mix well. Add semolina 500 grams, keep stirring constantly until mixed well. Add 1 cup of brown sugar and mix well. Pour 350 milliliters of water and keep stirring until it starts forming into thick consistency, like shown, for about 5 to 7 minutes. Let it cool for a couple of minutes and it's ready to be served with crushed almonds. Super delicious and easy halva recipe. Now I'll be making pori, which goes well with all the previous dishes shown. For this recipe you'll need, in a large bowl, add 3 tablespoons of yogurt, water 350 milliliters, salt to taste, 1 kilos all-purpose flour. Knead the dough and keep adding water until it forms a soft dough. Apply oil on the dough and cover it up and set it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take a tray or dish. Oil the surface of the dish. This will be used to put the formed dough balls on it. Oil the surface where you will roll the dough out, as well as the rolling pin. Apply a little bit of oil on your hand so the dough doesn't stick to it. Take dough, the amount that fits your palm, form it into a ball like shown. Meanwhile, heat up oil on full flame. Then roll out the dough, then fry it on each side. It fries fast and it should puff up like shown. And there you have it, easy, delicious, soft porridge.